Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to adjust the B-pillar seal on a Tesla Model 3. Whether you need to replace the gasket, the B-pillar camera, or the glass. In my case, I had to adjust the seal due to a gap, and after searching on YouTube, I couldn't find any helpful videos. So, let's get started. First, we need to remove the cover to expose the two bolts that hold the B-pillar. You can see me doing that here. Next, we use an 8mm socket to remove these bolts. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. With the bolts removed, it's time to carefully pull down the B-pillar. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or wiring. Now, I've adjusted the seal to fix the gap issue. Unfortunately, this part isn't very visible on camera, but the main idea is to ensure the seal sits correctly without any gaps. Once the seal is adjusted, we can begin putting the B-pillar back. Align it properly and reattach it by installing the two bolts using the 8mm socket. After securing the B-pillar, the final step is to adjust the rest of the seal on the upper corner of the door. Make sure it's snug and fits perfectly to avoid any air or water leaks. Lastly, we install the cover back on to finish the job, and that's it. Below are the links to the Model 3 service manual if you need it. Thanks for watching.